Dito kami kakain, Sir Marvin. Hindi ko namin kung masarap dito. House of Lechon ng Cebu.
Sour base soup with varieties of lechon kasi baka ma-high blood. Ay ko, kain na siya.
Yun.
Like balat. Hingi tayo ng extra sauce. Ay, thank you.
Sir Marvin, kung irarang mo yung experience mo dito sa House of Lechon.
Bye.
Out of 10.
Wow!